All right, good morning, everybody. So real fast, I just wanted to get this out on Black Friday. These are some of the sponsors and friends of Good Morning Mechanic. I got a handful of them, and I have some really impressive deals and discounts to go over. So we got 7 to go over here. The very first one is Tight Reach. These are the wrench extenders that get down in your engine. They're super handy. They have graciously given all subscribers and followers of Good Morning Mechanic a 10% off promo code. The promo code is Good Morning Mechanic for 10% off at checkout. So thank you so much, Tight Reach, for trusting the channel and hooking us up. Valvomax, they're giving 15% off at Valvomax for any oil change system with promo code Good Morning Mechanic. Innova, they are still offering the promo code GM Mechanic 10 for 10% off all of their products. And again, I've either used these products or I know these people. Frontier Coffee Company, very good coffee. They are offering a 15% off right now for Black Friday with the promo code Mechanic, just straight up Mechanic. And that is for all Good Morning Mechanic subscribers and followers. So thank you to Frontier Coffee Company. You guys are awesome. The Trailers of Gall. Trailers of Gall, currently they are running a 25% off of their buildings and a 40% off of their trailer sale for the month of November. Next, we have the Dapper Auto. Right now, they are running a 30% off of a full detail for a car and a 40% off for ceramic coatings for your car. Dapper Autos, 30% off full detail, 40% off ceramic coatings. And last one I got Wingman Garage. They are currently running a buy 2 get 30 free. Buy 2 get 30 free. So if you buy 2 hours, you get a free 30 minutes inside the garage. That's all I got. Those 7, they are friends and supporters and sponsors of the channel. So thank you all so much for trusting Good Morning Mechanic and being there for us. All of the links and the promo codes are down below. Thank you guys for watching. Hit these guys up for some great deals and have a good morning. For the There we go. So right now, if you get right now, oh no. So my gimbal keeps dying. I don't know what's wrong with it. Have a good morning.